गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. पुन्हा आपण प्रोबॅबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्युशन मध्ये काही एक्स्ट्रा एक्झाम्पल्स बघतोय. फर्स्ट example, the probability mass function of a random variable x is this. That is, random variables are 1, 2, 3 and so on n. Corresponding probabilities 1 by n, 1 by n. That is equal probabilities. Each have equal probabilities. Then variance of x is equal to. We know that variance of x is equal to expected value of x square minus expected value of x bracket square. Expected value of x square means what? That is random variables square into corresponding probability and their sum. That is, I write directly 1 square into 1 by n plus 1 by n 2 square into 1 by n plus 3 square into 1 by n and plus so on, n square into 1 by n. That is first bracket. Expected value of x square. Then minus expected value of x bracket square minus expected value of x. Expected value of x, that is 1 into 1 by n plus 2 into 1 by n and plus 3 into 1 by n plus dash dash n into 1 by n. It's square. Now I write this 1 by n, take out 1 by n out, 1 by n inside 1 square, 2 square and 3 square plus dash dash n square minus second bracket I write 1 by n out, inside the bracket I write again here as a curly bracket 1 plus 2 plus and so on plus n curly bracket square. That is I write 1 by n. This is 1 square plus 2 square and so on. That is sum of squares of first n natural numbers. n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. That is minus inside 1 upon n. Sum of first n natural numbers. n into n plus 1 by 2. n into n plus 1 by 2. It's square. That is equal to, this n cancel, n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 minus this n cancel, n plus 1 by 2 bracket square. Now this bracketed term is nothing but expected value of x, that is mean. आता या दोघांमधून आपल्याला कॉमन घेता येईल n plus 1 by 2 out, inside the bracket 2n plus 1 by 3, n plus 1 by 2 out, minus n plus 1 by 2 remaining. Square of bracket ला n plus 1 by 2 out. Now simplification we get n plus 1 by 2 inside the bracket cross 4n plus 2 minus 3n minus 3 upon 6. That is n plus 1 by 2. This is 4n minus 3n n 2 minus 3 minus 1 upon 6. n plus 1 n minus 1, it is n square minus 1 by 12. That is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square upon 12. This is variance of x. n square minus 1 by 12. It is b option. Now next, a random variable x assumes the values 1, 2, 3 and n with equal probabilities. That is, probabilities are same. That is, each having probability 1 by n. Suppose का असं 1 by n आहे. That is, random variables are 1 by n, each having equal probability 1 by n. If variance of x is equal to 4 times expected value of x, then n is equal to question विचारला. आता याच एक्झाम्पल मध्ये, मागच्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपण variance of x कॅल्क्युलेट केला. Now this is given relation. Variance of x is equal to n square minus 1 by 12 is equal to 4 times expected value of x. Expected value of x इथं काढणार n plus 1 by 2. n plus 1 by 2. Now this n square minus 1 means again n minus 1 n plus 1 upon 12 and 4 into 4, that is n plus 1 by 2. n plus 1 cancel, that is n minus 1. This is 4 2s are 2. This 12 transfer 24 and 1 transfer, it is 25. C option, n is equal to 25. equal probabilities equal are, that is suppose 1 by n, and then it is n is equal to 25. Next example, the probability mass function of random variable x is this. If p plus q is equal to 1, then variance of x is equal to expected value of x square minus expected value of x bracket square. Expected value of x square is there, x square. Now check expected value of x square. It's a square, 0 into q square, 0, neglect. 1 square 1, 2pq, 2 square 4, 4p square, minus inside the bracket expected value of x bracket square, 0 into q square neglected, 1 into 2pq, plus 2 into this 2p square. It's a square of this 2pq plus 4p square minus 2p out, p plus q is there, it's square. 2p bracket मधून 2p out येतं, याच्यामध्ये 2p कॉमन घ्या, p plus q as a 1, actually 1 आहे. Therefore this is neglected, 1 neglected, 2pq 4p square, remaining is what, 2p is a square, again 4p square, this cancel, that is 2pq. Option is D ला बघा 2pq. Next example, the probability mass function of random variable 1, 2, 3 and so on. Each probability 1 by n is equal to expected value of x विचारला, simple आहे. Expected value of x means random variable into corresponding probabilities. Expected value of x is equal to again 1 into 1 by n, 2 into 1 by n, 3 into 1 by n and so on. Last is n into 1 by n. 1 by n common, inside 1 plus 2 plus 3 and plus so on. Now this bracket means what? Sum of first n natural numbers 1 to n. Its formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. N cancel, n plus 1 by 2. That is a option. Next example. 2 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. That is 52 cards मधून 2 cards draw करायचे. That is sample space contains number of elements in sample space 52C2. याच्यामधून 2 cards काढायचे आपल्याला. That is total 52 into 51 upon 2. This. Now what is the random variable? Random variable x denotes the number of picture cards. Total picture cards are. Total picture cards. It is 12. Total picture cards are 12. Therefore, remaining 40 are non-picture cards. Is 40. What is asked? That is, if x denotes the number of picture cards and the probability distribution of x is given below. That is 0, no picture card, 1 picture card, and here 2 picture cards. आता जर आपण याच्यातला कॅल्क्युलेट केला तर त्याच्या प्रोबॅबिलिटीज PQR, then PQR रिस्पेक्टिव्हली आर असा क्वेश्चन विचारला. PQR च्या व्हॅल्यू काय येतील असा क्वेश्चन विचारला. हाऊ टू चेक? दॅट इज I check for these two. That is both are picture cards. That is 2 cards are drawn from 52. That is both are picture. Then 2 cards are coming from these 12 cards. That is 2 picture cards. Probability of 2 pictures. Probability of 2 picture cards is equal to, that is selection from this 12 C2, that is both are picture card, and total elements in sample space, total number of elements in sample space 51 by 2. Now this simplification will give us R, value of R, that is I solve this, that is 12 11 upon 2 divided by 52 51 divided by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 3 4s are 12, 3 17. 21. Then 4 ones are 4, 4 13. Total 11 upon 13 into 17. 13 7 91. Carry 9, 13 1, 13 9, 22. 11 upon 221 is the value of R. At R's value PQR respectively. R's value ikkada hai. 11 upon 221 kuta distoy C la. Yes, C option. Next example. A box contains 6 pens, 2 of which are defective. 2 pens are taken randomly from the box. A random variable x is equal to number of defective pens obtained. Then standard deviation. Standard deviation means square root of variance. Square root of variance. Positive square root of variance आपल्याला calculate करायचं आहे. That is standard deviation. Now total, that is the sample space contains, out of this 6, 2 are selected. That is 6C2. 6C2. That is 6 into 5 upon 2. This is sample space. Now what is asked? X denotes the number of defective pens. Out of 6, 2 defective. 6 madle total 6 pens. 4 and 2. 2 defective are. 2 defective. 4 are non-defective. Non-defective. तर काय कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आपल्याला? x denotes number of defective pens, that is 0 defective, 1 defective and 2 defective. That is random variable takes the values 0, then 1, then 2. 0 1 2. Corresponding probabilities are when 0 defective, that is 0 defective, that is non-defective, that is all are non-defective. That is selection from this 4 module selection on that. That is for 0 defective, I write this for 0 defective. Probability is equal to 4C2 upon 6C2. That is sample space 6C2. This calculation gives us 4 into 3 upon 2 divided by 6 into 5 upon 2. 2 gets cancelled. 4 3 upon 6 5. 3 2s are 5, 2 2s are 4, 2 by 5. That is 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Second one is 1. That is 1 defective. Now 1 defective, that is 1 is from this and 1 is from this. That is for this 1 I write here. This is for x equal to 0. Now x equal to 1. 1 is from this 2C1 into 1 is from this 4C1 divided by total 6C2. This calculation 2C1, that is 2 only, 4C1 it is 4 only, divided by 6C2, 6 into 5 upon 2. That is reverse 2 into 4 upon 6 5. This calculation gives us 2 3s are 16. That is 4 2s are 8 by 15. It is 8 by 15. Now last one, that is x equal to 2. X equal to 2. That is both are defective. That is 2 are coming from this 2 only. That is for x equal to 2. I write 2C2 upon 6C2. That is 2C2. It is 1 just. 6C2. 6 into 5 upon 2, that is 2 3s are, that is 1 by 15. It is 1 by 15. What is asked? Standard deviation, that is square root of variance. Now calculate just variance. We calculate variance. Or I write this instead of this. Instead of this 2 by 5, I write it is equal to 6 by 15. 6 by 15. That is again same 6 by 15. Now this variance of x is equal to, first we calculate variance of x. That is expected value of x square minus expected value of x bracket square. That is 0 into this neglected. 1 square into 8 by 15. Yes. Plus 4 by 15. Minus expected value of x bracket square 0 into this neglected, 8 by 15 plus 2 by 15, its square. It is 8 plus 4, 12 by 15 minus 8 to 10, 10 by 15 square. That is, now simplification of this, common denominator has a 15 square, 15 into 15, multiply 15 here, 12 into 15 minus 10 square 100 is equal to 15 12, that is 180 minus 100 80 just upon 15 into 15, that is simplification. 5 16 5 3s are 15, that is I write 16 upon 45, that is 16 upon 9 into 5. This is a variance. Now its square root, taking square root, standard deviation is a square root variance, positive square root variance. It's a square root. 16 is a square root 4, 9 is a 3, 5 is a root 5. 4 upon 3 root 5. D option.